Hi, I'm Jason Braun, Product Manager for Ancor. Today, we'd like to talk to you about the Ancor line of ratcheting crimpers. Ancor offers ratcheting crimpers for both single crimp and double crimp, as well as two different styles of handles. Ancor offers two different styles of handles with the same crimping dies. The angled handles are better for use in tight spaces, while the straight handles are useful when using for long periods of time or when extra leverage is needed. One of the major benefits of a ratcheting crimper is that the jaws will not open until they are completely closed. This means that you get a perfect crimp every time. One important safety feature of the Ancor ratcheting crimpers is the safety release lever. This will allow the jaws to open mid-cycle if there is an issue. Thank you for learning more about our tools. Visit ancorproducts.com for more info.